Hi, California probate attorney Scott Grossman here, and today I'm answering the question, what do I do if I don't know if there was a will or a trust? Well, I do have people who come to me who will tell me that their parents have died. Parents were very close-lipped about their finances, and so they genuinely have no idea when their parents died what estate planning they did, if they did any estate planning at all. Well, nothing is a lost cause. So the way we figure out what to do is oftentimes by working backwards. We want to check to see what it is mom or dad owned before they died. Now, again, the same folks who tell me mom or dad have been tight-lipped probably don't know very much, if they know anything at all, about their finances because mom and dad didn't want to say anything. That's okay. Mom or dad had to have lived somewhere. So if they lived in their own home, check title to their property, because title is going to tell us what they've done. If the title to the house, the deed to the house, is in the name of mom or dad as an individual, there's probably no estate plan in place. They probably have to go through probate. If, on the other hand, you see on the deed a reference to a trust, mom or dad as trustee, or maybe the name of the trust, probably both, well, then you know there is a trust, and the likelihood is you won't need to go through probate. Once you figure that out, then we know whether you need to do a trust administration or you'll need to do probate. Some folks don't own real estate, of course, but everybody's going to have a bank account, even if they're living off Social Security. So if you're not sure, you can go to the bank to report your parents' death. Now, the bank isn't going to give you a lot of information, but one thing you can find out is, are you a designated beneficiary? Sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll have a person at the bank who will at least give you an indication there's a trust and they need to speak with a trustee, if of course the account is in the name of the trust. Sometimes the bank will tell you straight out, well, gee, it's in your mom or your dad's name, it looks like you'll need to do probate. Now, if you've got to go the route of probate, of course you want to know whether there's a will or not, because that makes a difference in what happens during probate and how all the property gets distributed at the end. The only way to know that is by going through mom or dad's personal possessions in order to find out. So that probably means going into their home, going through their closets, their cabinets, wherever it is they stored things, simply looking for the document so you can find out what it is they had, if they had anything at all.